Hey everybody, this is step 6, load licenses. So for this, we're gonna need our configuration disk as well. This is gonna load our AFAS licenses into the system so that we can then communicate with other workstations as well as open our IDS5 program. So we're gonna use a program called Configure Communications. Down here in the search bar, you can type that in, Configure Communications. It's going to be right here under our apps. So we'll open that. Here you're going to use a different password than what you log into the system. Please look at the guide. It will tell you the username and password to use here. It's not your standard database password yet because we haven't loaded our database in. So once you get that in, again, use the guide. You'll be at this screen here. Notice we have no valid licenses loaded, so we need to import those. We choose import. We go here to our configuration disk and we go to our IDS5 folder. You're gonna see that there's only one .dat file. Double click it and all of your licenses will load. Next thing we need to do is go to our network tab and choose import as well. Only a GNT file will be shown. It'll take you directly to the folder that the GNT is in. Double click it and your licenses will be here as well. Or sorry, your computer names will be here. Once we're done, we hit OK. It'll ask if you want to submit these changes to the network. We'll say yes, and it'll close. That's all it is to it to load the licenses.